Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about how you can enable the easy touch in your device Vivo Y76 5G. So if in this device you want to enable the easy touch or assistive wall, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps in watch complete video and you will learn how to enable the easy touch and assistive wall in your device. Let's watch the video.